All right, here we are. It is September 3rd. Just did the honey supers. That's a different video. I'm on the fence about treating. I think I'm going to treat. I'm not seeing a super flow. Goldenrod here, as you can see right up front, it's already browning. So, did we miss it? Did we not get a fall flow anymore? It's kind of on the fence about how to go forward the next few springs, falls, summers. Starting to rethink if I should start making massive splits in August. But anyways, let's take a peek here, see what we're doing, and I think we're going to treat with Formic Pro today. But let's take a look and see how the queen's doing. Move over, ladies. There we go. There we go. Hoo-wee! She looks phenomenal. So, young larva on the outer corners here, cat brood in the middle. This is the outer frame, so she's still straight across. At least 9 frames. Excuse me. Smoke. All right, so that looks good. I do not see my queen. I want to hang my queen. So yeah, September 3rd. I'd pretty much say that they're by the middle of October, they wind it down. All right, we got a super seeder cup here. That's all young larva, so she is literally on fire over here too. So she's not letting up. So here's the thing, I'm gonna be safe than sorry. And if it does affect the fall flow, so be it. But I want healthy bees, and if I treat now, that puts me middle of September. That pull these off, and then they'll be raising bees from then on out. The lower mite count, healthier bees, healthier colony going into winter. So that's what I want. Move it along, ladies. Come on, I don't want to smoke you, so I really have to. But as you can see, we are doing awesome. So it's funny how all the brood is in the back, and I think it's because of the heat and the sun. Not 100% sure there, but plus this is where most of the pollen comes in. I'm looking, I don't see a little lady. But this is 3 frames. I mean, beautiful cat brood. And it's young larva, so she's not slowing down at all. Big, huge cluster is what I'm looking for winter. I mean, it's crazy to think we're already thinking winter, but we are. They've been. But like I said, if you haven't watched this video before, my videos before, I tried HopGuard this year. First I thought that was a Varroa on there. I tried HopGuard this year just because of temperatures, and it got approved with honey supers. And I wasn't super excited about it. And that pushed back my treatment of Formic Pro, which would I do? Oh, look at that. So yeah, I just want healthy bees. If I forego a fall harvest, so be it. But healthy bees, that's what we're looking for. Hold on, ladies. Let me just get in there. And get in there. Nice. I'm the 60s today. Take it. So yeah, I'm starting to think if we don't get a super great flow in the fall again, I'm starting to think of ways to increase my numbers right after the July harvest. So that's all eggs. Yeah, so she's not slowing down. So what are we on? This is middle of the hive, frame 5. Don't see you. I'm having a hard time seeing through my veil today. But that's all larva. All right, so that's going to be a full-blown frame. But we're on healthy bees. think, if I recall correctly, I am up to 48 colonies this year. And I think I got a couple more I'm thinking about requeening. So I'm hoping mid 40s go into winter. Just picked up another farm, so I can put at least 8 more colonies on that farm. So we're looking good. Don't see her. I don't need to see her. But I'm not seeing anything else that I need to worry about. I mean, they're really not, they're not in swarm mode. They got plenty of room, plenty of drawn comb. So that's it. We'll put some Formic Pro in. We'll take a weekend off. Look at that though. That is, I mean, September. And it's too bad there wasn't a major flow, because we could really capitalize on it. It's like barely enough to keep them going. I mean, it's enough to obviously keep her stimulated to keep raising monster brood. So, all right, girls. All right, we got 3 more to go. We're good. We're good. That's it. I'm tried a few different things this year. Every year it seems like you want to tweak something. This year was HopGuard, and yeah, look at that. I mean, look at the brood pattern. I mean, she's not fully blown out, but that's all pollen in the front there, and that's open probably for nectar in the back. And yeah, I can't even, that's all pollen in the front. So we're talking, so that was full. So yeah, so 8 full frames of brood, or right across. All right, I like it. All right, come on, 2 more. Let me just take a peek. Didn't find her. And again, I'm having a hard time. The sun is perfectly in front of my veil. So, we're gonna get farm noises in a minute here. I'm gonna try to finish up real quick. But, where are you? All right, there she is. There she is, right here. And what is that? That's an ugly supersedure cup. It's old wax too. It's hard as a rock. All right, I'm not worried. All right, I don't like you on the side there. Look at the frame of bees though. Is she in here? Oh, we got another one over here. It's like old wonky comb they're building off, so I'm really not worried about it. All right, I don't know if she. I mean, just. That's all pollen. Okay, let's take a peek where she went. Right there, it's right there. So nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Look at the number of bees though in the frame. What do you got going on up here? It's just, they're wonky supersedure cups. So, what did you do, run to the other side now? Yep, there she is. All right, I'm gonna go quick. That way she's in the, not on the shoulder of the frame. Put it back, quiet, very slow. All right, we got 1 more. Look at the bees. I mean, this is beautiful, right? Nothing else, and I don't really care if I get a fall harvest. I mean, it'd be nice, but if I don't, so be it. This is what I want. Full stuffed beehive. So this is part of the Nuc frame that they got when I merged the Nuc this summer with the original colony. And they're just getting to it. But it's an outside frame, so I'm not worried about it. Because they will, that's another thing, is I winter deep in a single. And for me on the Cape, it's more than enough. Gets them right through spring. For when they start taking off, there's plenty. All right, so that's it. I'm not going to show the rest. Formic Pro, I think we all know how it works. But I'm going to put this back together. And I'm gonna throw a couple slabs of Formic Pro on top, close it up, take 2 weeks off. Kind of perfect. It coincides with first weekend of football. Anyways, so that's it. Now you know what I'm doing. Hope everybody's bees are doing good. Thank you for watching.